to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to get the value of your resistor using a multimeter. It's a Fluke 787, and what we want to do is see, we have our AC current, DC current, millivolts, we have the ohms. This is where we want to put the multimeter. This is the one we want to select, the one with the horseshoe. Now we have two. We have this one right here, we have this one, and this one. Let me show you guys. Okay, these are the two. They are the same, and this is a little bigger. This is a bigger one. As you can see, we have colors. See, if we have a computer, we can actually check the value of it. See, this is orange, this one right here. Orange, orange, and brown with a gold. Okay, we have orange, orange, and brown with gold. Our fourth, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 band. 4 band right there. And it shows us, it tells us it's 330 ohms with 5% tolerance. What that means, that either 5% is gonna be missing, so it can be like 325, or it can go over 5%. For example, instead of 330, the multimeter is gonna read 335. We can check it with, okay, so our multimeter is set at ohms, and we're gonna check this one. See if we can do it like this, the tip. Sometimes we want to be careful and not touch it. Our body has creates some type of a resistance too. Okay, this is reading 326.6. 326.6. Let me see if we can. 326.6. That's what they mean by tolerance. It's not gonna be exactly 330 ohms. We'll check the other one. Like that, okay. We check this one the same way. This one's 982. It tells us this area right here, we have an M for milli ohms. If it turns into K, it's kilo ohms. So this one is K, kilo ohms. That's how you check the difference between milliohms. This one right here, ohms. See, this one is ohms, because there's milliohms, and then kiloohms. And that's how you check the value of your resistors. And just to make it clear with the measurements, the smallest value is milliohms. Milliohms turn into ohms. Ohms turn into kiloohms, which is 1,000 ohms, and kiloohms turn into mega ohms, which is 1,000,000 ohms. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video for more content. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.